Well, the good news is it is starting to weaken a little bit, and hopefully we're seeing maybe a little diminution in the actual effects of this storm. Here's its latest position. A Category 1 storm, 490 miles south-southeast of Nantucket, Massachusetts, 85-mile-per-hour winds. It's starting to pick up forward speed, moving north at 16 miles per hour. We have tropical storm warnings from Westport, Connecticut, all the way up to Bangor, Maine. We've got hurricane watches from Stonington to Eastport. That area of hurricane watches has shrunk a little bit. So here's what we expect as far as the effects of it. By Saturday morning, early 3 a.m., 85 miles per hour, increasing rain and wind along the New England coastline. And then as we move tomorrow into Sunday morning, the greatest impacts are going to be mostly eastern, down east Maine on into Canada. By Saturday, it's a remnant low. We look at these wind gusts, not quite as strong as we were thinking yesterday, but still wind gusts of 46 miles per hour in Boston, Portland 50, almost 60 in Bar Harbor. We're looking at Montauk, 40-mile-per-hour winds. Storm surges a little bit lower than we thought, but still they're going to be large breaking waves, rip currents, flooding of low-lying areas, and we're looking at heavy rain in down East Maine. Some areas could see 5 inches or more, but what we are going to be watching, basically rip currents and rough surf from the mid-Atlantic all the way into New England, guys. So it will have impacts, but hopefully not as bad as we were looking at earlier. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.